This ain't my first rodeo.
Pay no attention to the accusations made by GTI. They have turned into a rabid dog sabotaging Skynet, destroying our transport lines, and stealing the energy resources we would have used to create a better world. A new order must be established. GTI is on the offensive and will strike at any moment. It's up to you to do what must be done when a rabid dog is unleashed. Put them down. Enemy has taken Objective Alpha.
Got an EED placed! See ya! Evasion device placed!
Let me detect first. The world is in disorder. It will take gunfire to restore stability.